feel like you need to see your little baby move, whenever you want to, you can go in there and get your ultrasounds. She's an ultrasound tech. She's not an OB. She's just an ultrasound tech, but she's amazing and she does her job, and she relieved so much of my anxiety so many times. And no, they have more than heartbeat machines. They have the she has the whole setup. She's an ultrasound tech. She has her whole office, and you go in there and you can see it on the big TV, and kind of like in Alex's video. And what do you call it? No, not just the heartbeat Doppler. You see the whole baby. It's ultrasound. So I paid her the money. So we are going to be doing a giveaway to give that package that I paid for to a mother. You get it? Did that make sense, or did I yap too much? Yeah, so I paid for it. It's already completely paid for. We are going to pick a mother. We're trying to get a mom that's kind of in her earlier like pregnancy, so that she could really enjoy the whole entire package. And we are going to pick one person. It's fully paid for on me, and we are going to give that package to her. We are going to announce it in 2 weeks. On my gender reveal, we're going to announce it, because Rosie will be there with me at my gender reveal, because I love her. And yeah, so if you want to be involved in it, I'm going to make an official post, but go on her page. It's Blooming Bellies, and DM her and just give us a little explanation. We're gonna like sit down together and like look at like what mom we want to choose. Give us a little explanation on why you would want to receive the package, and hopefully, yeah, we just want to help out. And if you don't live Alright. Oh, of course it cut it off. Okay, this is her Instagram. It's Blooming Bellies 3D. She has a verified account. So she's in Miami, Florida. I follow her. Make sure that you... Oh, it's right here. Blooming Bellies 3D. So make sure that you follow her, message her, just tell her that you want to be involved in the giveaway. There's nothing... You don't have to do too much but follow. And we're announcing August 11th. Give us a little rundown why you should be chosen, how many weeks you are, things like that. And yeah. What else was I gonna say? I'm gonna make a post about it. But if you live far, then you probably don't want to, thank you, Mama King. If you live far, then you probably don't want to do it because you live far, you know. It'd probably be more convenient to do it for a mother that's close by. But yeah, I already paid for it. It's fully paid for. It's fully funded. So we're just going to give it away. I feel like I had something else to say about it. Thank you, Southpaw. What else do I have to say about it? I had to say something else. Oh yeah, that's what I have to say. Also, if you want to, this isn't a necessity, but if you want to, she has you could donate to her where she gives away ultrasounds to moms that can't afford it. She gives away 3D ultrasounds, 4D ultrasounds, 5D ultrasounds. She gives away just the anxiety ultrasounds. She gives away everything. So if you want to support women that live in South Florida that don't have the income to do certain things, then you could also donate to her as well. Alright. This is enough about that. I'm gonna make a post about it. Too many ultrasounds are bad though. No, it's not like an x-ray where it's like radiation through your body. So you're having a boy, we don't know what we're having. Don't you think that if he announced my gender, I'd be pissed like every single other time he's announced something? Are you ready? I don't know. Belly update. Hold on, let me get my sides up because I feel like these little handles are something serious right now. My little belly. It's just tight, to be honest. Like, it's not really a belly, but we're getting tight. We're getting really tight in here. Like, can you leave me behind? You look great. Thank you. Thank God I got a BBL. Let me not get banned. Of a falling star. You have a cute baby bump. I think it's gonna be cute just because I've gotten liposuction. So it's gonna be like cute and tight, cute and tight. Don't need no handouts. Shawty said she loved me, yes, sir, rather than like bow wow. You been wearing pink a lot? It's hard for me to sleep at night. Try to stay focused, I keep drinking. I'm chasing my dreams. The rain drops, but I can't hang with hops. Of a falling star. Am I doing anything? Yeah. It's a boy, Fly slipped up, and Coco. Oh my gosh, me and Coco, we had a shopping cart. Y'all said y'all seen something brown and jumped to boy. Beige and brown are girl and boy colors. Fly said boy. Fly's been saying boy since the moment he found out I was pregnant. Yeah, I got neutral colors. What do y'all think I'm having? Y'all want, I don't want to give y'all a, I'm not going to show y'all everything because I bought a lot. Coco, don't go shopping with Coco. She's going to make you spend like $1,000. No, I'm just kidding. I spent $400 on this baby that ain't even here yet. Like, you 3 months in my belly and I'm already... He already spoiled. Okay, so I bought this, and don't go saying, oh, it's blue. So it's a boy, it's a teddy bear. And the reason I got this is because it says the Lord's Prayer that my nana used to say to me to go to sleep.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night, and wake me with the morning light.
Amen. So I got that for the baby. Okay. Wait, Alex, a boy. How do you know what we don't even? Okay, look at how stinking cute. Look how cute. Thank you, Diane. so cute. I love this. Like, it's like a little teddy bear. I know, right? I love this shopping. It's really so sweet. Like, I got things that says like mommy and daddy. See, I got like little like, this is neutral and you guys are like tripping on me. Like little cream things. Cream and like white. I wish that we could change places. These are Kalaya's bows that I got her for the gender reveal. And I got her these shoes. I think they're so cute with the little pearls on it. They look a little too big though. Honestly, her feet are kind of a little smaller than that. And then I'll show you guys her dress for the gender reveal. I love her dress. This is her dress I bought her. Because we're all wearing white. Isn't that gonna be so cute with the little bows? I love it. I got her dress picked out before I even got my dress picked out. Thank you, Gigi. Oops. Dang, I'm like stuck. Papa. Are you coming? Jit's the only one that knows what it is, so if you want to know what the gender is, you're gonna have to talk to him about it. Jit, what is it? Blink if it's a girl. Blink if it's a girl. Sit. Blink if it's a girl. Blink if it's a boy. Blink if it's a girl. Hmm? Is he saying girl? Jump up if it's a girl. Get a refund for them? I don't even know a $2,000 refund. Yo, it literally looks like my natural teeth, but wider. My boyfriend co-signed. My boyfriend at the time. Don't swear on your baby. Ew. Everybody else does it and they be lying on their baby. At least I'm not lying. Yeah, if I was lying, of course, like, shame on me. But I be lying on my brother. Alright. Y'all think anything? I don't win with you guys. That's why I don't even like talk. Oh, she's not on live, or she is? No, the last ultrasound I got, like, so she puts it right here, and then my baby's just like this. Like, why are you just sitting there? Like, sitting, like, not laying down, like, sitting. Sleeping, they sleep. Sitting. She said he. I've been saying he. I've literally been saying he.
I just got on.
Oh, why were they telling me earlier to add me?
I don't know. On my backup page.
What? You got banana?
Yeah, because of Stella.
Ew.
I had to call her out. Won a haul, I didn't get anything.
Like, why can't TikTok just remove her whole, like, account?
She's obsessed with me.
Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know.
I'm so sad.
Why?
I'm lonely.
Well, you know, you have your baby in your belly. Just flick him, get a little kick.
It's this big old bed. Just me and this baby. Just big ass bed.
Go call him or something. I don't know.
He's 5 hours away. One, he's 5 hours away. Two, that's not good.
If I was 5 hours away from my man, I'd get in my car and I'd be there in 5 hours and 1 minute.
Yeah, but your man also doesn't trash your apartment.
True. What did you tell him to call him? Oh my gosh, y'all, I just go based off my delusional advice and forget, like, the facts. That's it. I'm just a delusional girl. I be showing up to my man's house. Last time we were broken up, I made a copy of a key. I made 2 copies of our key, and I would just walk in there on my own timing. Multiple occasions. So I'm just a little delusional. One of the times I walked in was when Stella was there. Well, she wasn't there by the time I got there.
Have you seen her in person?
No, she left. Alex told her to leave when I was on my way. He like would sense every time I'm like one time I was like pulling up there, like we weren't arguing or anything, and he just like I pull in and he just like comes out, like walks right outside and was like,
Rose.
I was like, how do you sense me?
Drop a rose if you think you're pretty. Oh God. Drop a rose if you think you're pretty.
Oh, no, roses. Thank you, Kara. Thank you, Gigi. Thank
You guys don't think you're pretty. You're not sending no roses. Okay, so you think you're ugly. Oh, okay.
Hey there. Hey there.
Can you use wood glue pregnant?
Come on, y'all. It's times 3. Yeah, I'm sure. Just don't like smell it. Thank you, Gigi. Love you, Gigi. Love you, Gigi.
Guys, drop on triples.
Thank you, Gigi. Just
drop on triples. Triples.
Thank you, Gigi. Oh, Mama King.
Nikki, thank you.
I hate when I go to screenshot something and it just closes.
Bethany, thank you for the money gun. I followed you back.
Thank you, Gigi.
Thank you, Naima.
Kayla, she's mentally going through it. Be there for her. I'm texting her off camera. Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh. Thank you, Amber, for the galaxy. I love you. I followed you back. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey there. Just use some good old nail glue. You know, when I first got pregnant, my veneer popped in my front tooth, so I put nail glue to like push it back in, and then it got on my tongue, and then I was like freaking out, and I was like googling all night, like, is it okay to get nail glue on my tongue pregnant? But it's like, who the fuck has gone through that? So like, tell us.
Why would you use nail glue to put your tooth back in?
That's all I had. What should I have used?
You should have just waited.
No, we had to go to my dad's house the next day.
Yeah, drop a glove, man. What the fuck? I'm scared. Girl.
And then we were eating, and then it popped back off.
I would rather be toothless.
That's what Alex to put it back on for me.
Do we have a glove? Thank you,
Well, we are snapping The ghetto. No, really. The ghetto. Thank you, Gia. Love
Thank you,
you.
little baby. Love you. Do we have a glove? No, I'm poor. Me too.
Glasses, Sheen. Shirt, Sheen. Shorts, Sheen.
Your life, Sheen.
Shoes, Sheen.
Actually,
Yeah.
have you ever tried Fashion Nova?
No, I used to get like Fashion Over jeans like in high school, but that was it. Are my glasses real? No, they're fake. They're just for looks. Honestly, no sarcasm.
I have the same glasses, but they're real.
I got like a bunch. I got like a whole pack. It has like brown and black.
Which I don't know where they went. I just had them not too long ago.
Just trying to shit, Kayla. What does that mean?
My friend's an ultrasound tech, and she told me your gender.
You don't know my gender. Stop trying to. Allison is so obsessed with trying to figure out the gender. She told me I'm gaslighting her the other day.
She is. She won't tell me. Like, I don't understand, like, what I did wrong. Like, what did I do wrong?
Text me right now.
Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Naima. Thank you, Stella's third chin. Thank you, Lil Baby. Thank you, Caitlin. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Text me what she said it was. Wait, hold on, let me think about it.
No, because then you're not gonna tell me if it's right or not.
Just text me. Maybe I will. Maybe today's your day. Alright, y'all. WGG. Gigi dropped 15K points. W Mama King with 15K points. Thank you to Parita. Love you, baby. Love you guys. Love you guys. WGG. W Mama. Text it to me.
Bitch, no. I want a yay or nay.
I don't know, but I don't think so.
That's so annoying, girl.
No, but really, I think your ultrasound tech should actually check herself.
So it's the opposite.
Huh?
Thank you, Amber. So it's the opposite.
I don't know, but I don't think it's so.
Okay, well, if I ever get pregnant again, I'm not telling you the gender.
You told the whole world the gender, Allison. I knew the gender by your fucking painting your shoes thing.
Yeah, well, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it a secret until I give birth. I won't tell anyone.
I just want people to be surprised.
Thank you, Big Red, for the money, guy. I love you. I followed you back.
So you know the gender? No, I just have my guesses, my educated
Okay,
guess.
well, then why don't you tell everyone what you think it is?
Because sometimes I get confused. Because sometimes I think it's one. And
Nah, I want to know because you used to be all boy, boy, boy. Now you're all like, I can't tell y'all. Like, I don't know yet. Like, no, you used to be all boy calling it.
And some people said the nub theory, and like and then there's the skull theory.
Y'all, let's use our brains. Like, come on now. Like,
Then there's this theory and that theory, and I just don't know.
I don't like Kayla's hair at all, but you don't even have hair. What the fuck? You don't even have hair. You're hating on people who have hair.
I'm albino. Actually, remind me, albino. Remember that one time when I dyed my eyebrows? That's my mimic. Thank you, Jamie. That color does wash you out a little bit, but I kind of like the washed out look. Like I kind of like no sarcasm. I kind of like the fact that I'm blending into my hair.
Chat doubles. Let's focus.
All right, now let's get doubles because Allison's beating us right now.
Let's focus. Everyone focus.
All right, y'all, 26 roses. Everybody drop one rose. Come on, y'all. Everybody drop one rose. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you,
Guys, drop a rose if you think that I'm fat.
Thank you, Jasmine.
Drop a rose if you think you're
Gabby.
pretty.
Thank you, Rita.
Jessica says she's pretty. Lele said you need to lay off the chips.
All right, y'all, in doubles. Let's go
Kaylin
crazy.
said you too big. Good Vibe said, girl, what? Sammy said you can't even fit through the door. Naima said, girl, if she ain't 280, she ain't a lady. Naima said you're huge. Ali said, brother, you broke the scale. Amber, thank you guys. Drop a rose. Drop a rose. Get doubles. 7 more fatties. Come on.
Come on, y'all. Doubles are about to
7
start.
fatties. That's right. Thank you guys. Drop a
Doubles are about to
rose.
start. Make sure we don't lose. We have a 19 streak.
All right, chat. Double points. Let's go crazy. Double points. Double points, chat. Doubles. Show her that we have a team. Double points, guys. Double points.
Y'all,
Drop
doubles,
a rose.
doubles. Thank you, Gia. Love you, Gia.
Drop on doubles, chat. Drop on doubles. Take your streak. Take your streak. Take your streak, chat. Doubles, doubles, doubles. Doubles. Amber, thank you. Naima, thank you. I love you guys. Double points. We did not just do all that work just to do nothing, y'all. Come on. Come on, chat.
Thank you,
Let's
Amanda.
go. Naima, thank you. Chat, let's go. Let's go. Double.
Oh, Gigi with the whale. Love you, Gigi. Thank you, freaking Gigi. I'm following you, Amanda. Thank you, Gigi. Oh, I already follow you. I love your pink hair. Is that new? Thank you, Gigi.
Naima, thank you for the hand hearts. Thank you, guys. Come on, chat. Doubles. Damn.
How much do I make on live? Well, considering I don't go live like a lot, I go live like probably like twice a week. Not too much, to be honest. Yo, we have a galaxy goal. We're almost five galaxies away from being halfway there.
Yummy, thank you. I love you. Guys, take her 19.
Amanda is human jail. Unfortunately, no.
If you can't send gifts, just double tap because it'll count as points.
Thank you, Amanda. Yeah, yo, let's get to 200K. If you can't spend the green, tap the screen.
Naima, thank you.
What's funny? Like a good $50.
Angela, thank you.
Yeah, I know I do be slacking sometimes, but it's not even that. Also, y'all, remember, I got child.
I have child. I'm on here every fucking day.
No, I'll give it to you. You do, but I think I'm out of, like, I'm